Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remote start a Nissan Versa. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is in park and the ignition is completely off. It's also crucial that all doors are securely closed and locked, with the windows fully up. Additionally, the hood must be closed for the remote start system to function properly. These initial checks ensure a safe and successful remote start every time you use the feature. To activate remote start using your key fob, first press the lock button one time. Then, within 5 seconds of pressing the lock button, locate the circular arrow button on your fob. Press and hold this circular arrow button for at least 2 seconds. You'll know it's working when the engine starts, and the parking lights may flash, confirming the command was received and executed successfully. Once your Versa has remote started, the engine will run for a period of 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend this period by an additional 10 minutes. Simply repeat the lock button and hold the circular arrow button sequence again within the initial 10-minute run time. For added convenience, you can also use the My Nissan smartphone application to remotely start your vehicle, offering flexibility from a greater distance. Keep in mind that the typical operating range for your key fob's remote start is approximately 200 feet from your vehicle. After using the remote start feature twice consecutively, you will need to manually cycle the ignition from on to off before you can use remote start again. Always remember to check your local community and state regulations, as some areas may have restrictions or forbid the use of remote starters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.